Indian ethnic wear is timeless, but it's also constantly evolving. Whether it's modern lehengas, fusion saris, or Indo-Western outfits, the latest trends in Indian fashion bring the best of tradition and contemporary style together. So, what's hot in 2025? What should you add to your wardrobe to stay stylish? In today's video, we'll explore the latest fashion trends in Indian ethnic wear. So stay tuned. Contemporary saris, the modern twist. The sari remains a classic, but 2025 is all about modern drapes and fusion styles. Trending styles, pre-draped and ruffle saris. No more hassle. These saris come with stitched pleats and ruffled pallu for an effortless look. Pant and dhoti saris. A stylish mix of traditional saris with pants or dhotis for a bold statement. Belted saris. Adding a belt to a sari is the hottest trend, giving it structure and a fashionable edge. Style tip. Pair a modern sari with corset blouses or jacket blouses for an ultra-chic look. Lehenga trends. Minimalism meets royalty. Lehengas are getting a contemporary makeover with lighter fabrics and fresh silhouettes. What's trending? Anarkali lehengas. A blend of an anarkali style top with a flowing lehenga skirt, perfect for weddings. Pastel and floral lehengas. Soft pinks, mint greens, and delicate floral embroidery are replacing heavy traditional designs. Mirror and sequin work. Reflective shimmering lehengas are making waves in sangeets and receptions. Style tip. Pair your lehenga with statement jewelry and a sleek ponytail for a modern yet regal look. Indo-Western outfits. The fusion trend. Indo-Western fashion is taking center stage in 2025, blending Indian embroidery with global silhouettes. Trending Indo-Western styles, cape and jacket. Kurtas. Layering is key. Capes and structured jackets over kurtas add a modern vibe. Dhoti pants and crop tops, a comfortable yet trendy combination, perfect for festive looks. Sari gowns, for those who love drape elegance with the ease of a gown. Style tip. Experiment with bold prints, metallics, and statement sleeves for a standout look. Indian ethnic wear is evolving beautifully, with trends that blend tradition and modern elegance. Please don't forget to subscribe to Fab Flair